Hi guys, in this YouTube video I will make a review of my monitor Yashi YZ-2203. The buttons from the top to the bottom are menu to open the menu, up, down to move across the screens of the menu, exit, scale, source to change between HDMI, DVI and VGA, and the power button. It uses 30 watts of current. From left to right there are the power input, audio output. For example, you can plug in headphones or even better some speakers, the blue VGA port, white DVI and the HDMI input. The resolution is 1920 by 1080p. Thanks to the HDMI port, you can use this monitor with video game consoles without problems, such as Xbox One, PlayStation 4, Wii U, and the latest revision of Xbox 360 and PlayStation 3. Turn on the Xbox, turn on the monitor. Here there is HDMI source because we plug in the Xbox with HDMI cable. If you plug it to a device that has HDMI output, the audio will work fine because the HDMI will carry audio as well. Otherwise, if you connect it using DVI or VGA, you will need a separate set of speakers that will plug it in the back 3.5mm audio jack to make the audio work fine. This monitor also of course works with a computer. First I will show you a Linux computer. The display works fine. If you go into the settings, you can change some options. For example, here I am using GNOME desktop environment. If you go into settings, if you go to monitor, display, there are various options. For example, join display, mirror display, or use single display. At the bottom there are some settings such as refresh rate, resolution and scaling. Now Sanyo Electric is the second monitor. I can rearrange to put it at the right or at the left. By clicking apply we change the settings. For example, here I use the laptop monitor as a right monitor and the other monitor as a left monitor. I can also set up which monitor will be the primary and the secondary. Here primary display, I can change it to the main monitor or the external one. On Windows it will work in a similar way. Go into settings, screen, there are various options for the monitor. The only thing that you need to know is that when you install the graphics card drivers, for example, I had some troubles with NVIDIA once, because if the screen is not recognized as HDMI, it won't have the full 1080p resolution. So it is very important to also check enable NVIDIA HD audio when you install on a machine that has NVIDIA graphics. As I told you before, you should also go into your graphics card settings. For example, here I have NVIDIA graphics. It is recognized as HDMI connector with 1080p resolution. It is right. Here you can also change the color settings. change the screen rotation, HDP status, it means it can play back HD quality video. Digital audio, the audio works fine because I am using HDMI cable. Desktop position, the various size, no proportion, full screen. Here you can use multiple screen, but I only have one, so I don't have it. But if you use a desktop NVIDIA GPU with multiple HDMI outputs, you can plug multiple displays to a single video card. And here is the review of my monitor, Yashi YZ-2203 21.5 inches 1080p monitor. See you later, guys.